Guys, if you're looking to up your potato salad game this summer, why not give one of our fresh new ideas a try? Today I'm making a fresh and herby potato salad. To start off, I've cooked 3 pounds of peewee potatoes, or very, very small new potatoes, until they're tender. And I'm just crushing them very lightly to open them up a little bit so they can absorb the dressing a little bit better. Don't overdo it. You're not making mashed potatoes and they don't all have to be crushed, but a little bit of crushing works great. You can use a potato masher if you want to. To that, add, while still warm, right after draining, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a half a teaspoon of freshly grated lemon zest, and then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm doing this while the potatoes are still warm, and that paired with that little bit of crushing that I did of the potatoes is going to allow the dressing to really, really absorb into the potatoes. 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. So this potato salad does not have any mayonnaise. We do have a version with mayonnaise in the issue though, so you check that one out. Salt and pepper. Then you just toss, and what you do is you let this cool completely. That should take about 30 minutes at room temperature, and then I'm going to add some delicious fresh herbs. So just let this sit. You can give it a stir every once in a while, but let it sit for about 30 minutes. While you're waiting for your potatoes to absorb all that delicious flavor, you can cut up some celery and onion. You'll need about a cup of diced celery. Depending on the size of your celery, that can be from 2 or 3 stalks. These are pretty big, so I think 2 is probably going to do it. Okay. I also have a cup of chopped fresh herbs. Can be a combination of parsley, the leaves from the celery, a little bit of oregano, whatever tastes good to you. And then on top of it, some sweet onion. You can find a Vidalia or other sweet onion like that. You should use that. About half of an onion, or half a cup of chopped onion. Our base recipe has some scallion in it. If you prefer to use scallion, you can use that. And if you're using an onion that's not a sweet onion, a regular onion, you can soak it in some water for a few minutes before you add it to the salad to remove a little bit of that bite that onion has. Add your herbs to the cooled potatoes. Add the onion, celery. Stir it all up, and then salt and pepper. Keep your potato salad in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat it. This makes plenty for a party. You can certainly cut the recipe down if you don't need to have this much, but it's going to disappear quickly, I can guarantee it. Keep this in the refrigerator and serve it at your next party. You will be super duper happy. It gets better as it sits a little bit, so if you want to make it the day ahead, go right ahead. It'll only be more delicious the next day. It's an herby and fresh, delightful potato salad. Please enjoy. If you like recipes like this and you want more, make sure to click like and subscribe because we have plenty more where this came from.